What's up, people? We are back for another reaction. This one was emailed to us, like the new logo stuff. I'm going to try it out and see if we like it. Oh, and I got the new boom, or not the new, it's old. It's actually older than this stuff with the wireless. But after a bunch of time, it starts hurting the top of my head right there. So, I mean, it's got a lot of cushion and stuff. This is the Jabri 370, I believe. And this is just the Amazon Audio Techniques. It's probably an Amazon special. And the headphones are, I can't remember. I don't know. Good Lord. There it is right there. There it is right there. You know. So, all right. So you got the gear. I got MSI laptop. I got a light there. I got a light there. And I got a light right here. I got a green screen behind me. I got Limpy. That's my Facebook page. YouTube, Limpy817. Twitch, Limpy817. Rumble, Limpy817. Limpy817 on Instagram, Chris_Limpy_Collins. I'll have all that stuff down in the description below. Social media stuff. Hit that right there. Thumbs up. This one was emailed to us by Mike, a new guy, Mike Soto. Big Soto. Yeah, Mike Soto. I don't know if that's the Soto from Arizona. Or, I don't know if they're from Arizona or from California, but he's got an RX-7. And I don't know if it's the same dude or if it's his boy. Anyway, he said, oh wait, this is just, he just sent me the link. It's Christmas at the Sawmill on YouTube. And I believe after looking at the thumbnail, I actually subscribe to these people. I think they're down in Florida. They do a bunch of log splitting and tables and stuff. You know, you see the epoxy stuff. They actually trim the stuff, but she does it with the little, what's the word I'm looking for here? Wood Barbie style. Not quite, but yeah, that's very, you can look at with the eyes. It's very easy on the eyes. I haven't even hit this thing yet, so. All right, we're going to get into it. Merry Christmas at the Sawmill.
Hey guys, welcome back to Triple L Rustic Designs. Today I have my best friend Jenna here. She's going to help me cut a log on the sawmill. But before we get started, I want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and Happy New Year. This is our third Christmas here at Triple L Rustic Designs, and we love celebrating with you guys. Also, if you didn't know, we are selling our 2024 Triple L Rustic Designs calendar.
And this is, all the links and stuff will be down in the description below, but this is Triple L Rustic Designs, as you can tell. I'll have all their links and stuff down in the description. And Merry Christmas. And yes, I am a subscriber. So just by looking.
If you want to find out what's inside, there's going to be a link in the description below for you guys to purchase your own calendar. And I am signing all of these, and the first 100 orders gets free shipping. So make sure you get your orders in as soon as possible. So we're going to go ahead, jump on the tractor, and grab the log, and we'll show you what we're cutting today.
Also, sometimes I stop and pause it. I know somebody in the comments was upset that I actually stop it and comment. I'm supposed to just let it play all the way through. No, this is a reaction channel, so this is what you got. If you want to watch it, I'll have the link in the description, and you could just click on it without me on there, you know. So it is what it is.
we're going to be cutting this sweet succulent cherry. About 3 years ago, we cut our first cherry log up here on the sawmill, and you guys loved it. That video has over 5 million views. If you haven't checked out that video, I highly recommend it. There's going to be a link to it in the description below this video. So today, it's a perfect day to cut it on Christmas. We're going to cut another cherry log. There is a void down here on the butt ends of the log, and I don't know how deep it runs into this log, but I think it's going to be a good one. So we're going to get up on the sawmill and start cutting.
I don't know what they're looking for.
All right, just made our first 2 cuts. Let's pull them off and see what we got. If you want to grab that side, we'll just take the first one on the top. You can pull it towards you, and then, yeah, we'll pull it off, and then we'll just put it down here on the ground. Yep, and we'll flip her, just so we can see. Oh, all right. Let's see.
Can't.
Oh, yeah. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
That's what you're working with right there.
All right. We have a scraper over here. Yeah, let me grab the scraper. It's pretty. Oh, yeah. Look at that. There's some of that
Purples.
void that I was talking about. Didn't go too deep, though. Looks like we've got some nice reds, some purples in the middle.
What are we talking about
I'm feeling
here?
there's going to be really nice slabs.
Looks nice.
This is the void that I was talking about on the butt end of the log. It only goes in about 12 or 15 inches from the end, so it doesn't over-penetrate, which story of Trey's life. But anyways, that's for another day. So I think these slabs are going to turn out really nice, and I'm excited for the other ones to come. So I'm going to roll the log over onto its flat side, and then I'm going to continue making my cuts down from there.
Oh, used to do that, their little flipper that they had to use. Oh, I see. I see now. They got a little laser that they can eyeball. I seen it. I don't know what I was, maybe, I don't know. Right above the. Oh, we're gonna cut another one. Nope.
Okay, 2 more cuts. We'll take these one off and see what they look like. We can just put this top one down here then.
They could probably shim that one off and use that as well. I've seen them use it before.
Oh, look at that.
Okay, and then here. Yeah.
Oh. The sawdust is making it like
a little bit heavy. Okay. Do you have the scraper?
yeah, I'll grab it. Okay, let's see.
This actually looks nice.
Yeah.
This cut here.
I have a knot right here, which gives it a lot of cool figure. These are nice. These are nice slabs. The void doesn't go too deep on this one.
No, but it makes it look nice, and that coloring on this side.
Yeah. These are really nice. I'm excited about these. After these are dried and finished, they're gonna look really nice. Excited about them. All right, we have a couple more cuts. Just like that, she done. All right, it's getting a little squirrely at the end there. I thought we might run into some issues, but it looks like it went pretty smooth.
Here, yeah. I'll just resist it and pull it towards yourself.
Yep. All right. Okay, go ahead. Oh,
you're
it's
good.
cracking. Down the middle. Oh, hold up.
You got it?
She's gonna like disintegrate. Just straight on top.
Yep.
Okay, drop your side first. Yep, go ahead. Damn. Straight down the middle.
It looks like it is continuing.
Check this out. As we were cutting the log, it's relieving tension in the log, and it's cracking through this slab. And when we were trying to pick it up, I thought it was gonna break on us, but it didn't. But you can see pretty clearly. Yeah. But as you know, we love epoxy here. So if this does happen to break all the way through, throw some epoxy in there, and you have a beautiful table.
They make some pretty good stuff, pretty badass stuff.
Let's see.
It cracked all the way.
This one.
We're gonna have to grab it in two.
Okay.
Cause like, look.
She cracked.
Or is it split there? Okay.
All right. We have a wicked log. Wicked slab. All right, let's. We'll put,
you want to put it back here, the front.
Dang.
Yeah, it's like coming apart. But look at this color.
Yeah, that's
it's really
nice. Let's see.
I think this would have been a really good one with the color, because it's deeper. Here, what are you doing? What the... I gotta go. Ugh.
Dang.
Got it.
It's like a puzzle piece.
Yeah, this one is a lot deeper in like the coloring.
Yeah, oh yeah, it has a beautiful, oh, you can see some reds, maroons.
In the middle, it's like deep purples.
We got a nail here, it looks like. We got a nail. If you can see right here, there's a nail in the center of the log. So we didn't hit it anywhere else except this slab. Once we started hitting that nail, there's a lot of chatter after that. So you can see the effect it made, but it's still kind of cool. It's in there. But this slab completely broke in half. Before we even picked it up, she was cracked. So I know I'm not mad about it. I think it's still going to be cool, and we can still do a lot with these. Actually, these would even be great shelves, even the size that they are now. But we have one more slab to look at, so fingers crossed she's a good one. Let's see. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
You sure you want to put this side on the ground?
Yeah.
Okay.
So walk to that end. Ooh. And then put yours on the ground.
Get all dirty.
We don't worry about getting dirty. Don't worry about it.
We decided to stand this slab up. I'm gonna go grab the hose. We're gonna spray it down, and we're gonna make that cherry pop. All right, Jenny, you're gonna wanna watch out. Although, if you guys grow this channel to 1 million subscribers, maybe I'll hose her down in a future video. Ready? Oh, yeah. We got some awesome color in there. Really nice oranges, even. Nice dark center around that crack. But other than that, we got some really nice yellows and oranges. Dark browns down there near the void, but that is beautiful. I think once it's finished, it's gonna make a beautiful epoxy table, shelves, whatever you want it to be. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this video today. We got 5 really nice cherry slabs out of that log, and I just love the way that cherry popped once we sprayed them down. So I'm super excited about these, and I hope you are too. Also, once again, don't forget we are selling our 2024 Triple L Rustic Designs calendar. If you are interested in purchasing one of these, you can head over to tlrds.com or click the link in the description below. And as always, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for future videos. We'll see you on the next one. Do I look thin?
Can you see the calendar?
Yeah.
Today, I have my best friend Jenna here helping me cut a log on the sawmill. But before I get started, restart. But before we get started, I want to say Happy New Year. I don't know why it came out like that.
Can you just
break out in song? Happy New Year.
I should have just kept going with it and then got serious and like, now we're gonna cut this.
This log does have a void down here in the butt end. Hopefully it doesn't penetrate too deep.
Oh, here we go.
No, you can say, for all you first-time viewers, we'll pop your cherry.
Yeah, we're
showing
popping
you
your cherry.
what's inside this cherry
We're popping
log.
your wood cherry today.
So, and hopefully it doesn't penetrate too deep into this
I
log.
cannot. With a straight face, they penetrate.
Deep into this wood.
Today we'll be cutting this sweet, succulent cherry log. If no, hold on. It's gonna. I don't know how long it's gonna penetrate through the.
Should I stand like this? Like the Jim Carrey, like.
Okay.
I can't.
He didn't say penetrate.
I know. I still said deep, which will still be like deep.
Nail right there.
Okay.
But think about that. That nail was in the center of that log. Like we didn't hit it on the outsides at all, but deep in the center of the log, there's a piece of metal.
How does that happen?
Okay.
History.
History. We made the nail.
As much as I know y'all want me to spray Jenna down, Jenna, get out of the way.
Hey. Yeah.
Oh boy. That's a log right there. Anyway. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Appreciate it, Mike. Hit us up again with some other stuff, Mike, to watch. Yeah, I've subscribed to that channel. They make some badass epoxy stuff, some shelf. I mean, it's all kind of wood stuff. Go give their channel a follow. I'll have all the links and stuff down in the description below. Hit that up there. A thumbs up. Give their channel a thumbs up. A subscribe. And I'll have all the links. Limpyreacts@gmail.com. And hit me up on any of the social medias down there. Y'all have a good one. Later.